Hi guys, it's Claudette with Claudette's Charms back again. Just want to do a really quick video on something new that I've been doing that I'm just loving. It's graph GANs, and I don't know if you've ever tried them. They look really complicated, but they're really not. They're pretty simple. Sorry, I got distracted here with this stitch that's coming up. Anyway, they're really fun. Well, here's an example. This is my first one. This is a little doggy emoji square. It came out to about 21 by 21, I believe, are the measurements. I have a playlist, and this one is by Lovable Loops. I think her name's Melissa, and she has a pig and a mouse and a bear and all kinds of, or a few of these emojis on her channel, and she also has videos on how to do them, which are wonderful. And then so this one is for my little fat dachshund Rue. It's his little blankie, and he loves it. I cover him with that when it's cold in here with the air conditioning. And then this one, sorry, it's upside down. Okay, this one is for Buffy. She's my Maltese dachshund mix. So I did the same pattern, but just with different colors. I think these are so cute. And oh my God, guys, they're so much fun to make. You can't get bored because you're always changing colors and you're doing different pictures. It's awesome. I started one that's a little chihuahua, and that's on Ink and Stitches channel. I think on YouTube it's under JH Winter. Anyway, she's also on my playlist, and I'll link that below. Yeah, and she's an author. She does little children's books, and she does amigurumi, and she does these graphs to go along with the characters in her children's books. She's amazing, and she has wonderful videos. There's also somebody else, I can't think of her name. I think her name is Roz. I just started watching her on like how to do your own patterns using, there's Procreate and there's Stitch Fiddle that she uses, two apps or two websites. So I'm going to be designing my own patterns. My daughter draws, and she's done a few things, like there's a turtle, a seahorse, a penguin. I want to do those. So I'm going to teach myself how to make patterns for the graphs. So that's something exciting I've been experimenting with. I can't think of her channel. What's the name of her channel? I've also linked her in my playlist, Roz. Play Hooky with Me. I think that's it. Play Hooky with Me, yes. And she's wonderful. So just wanted to hop on here real quick and let you know about that and give it a try. It's really fun. Don't be afraid. They all talk about getting these things called bobbins that you can get at the Dollar Tree to separate your colors. And they're just big giant paperclip hooks. You can get 6 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and you wind your yarn, your different colors around those, and hook them to your graph before because you have to flip it with each row. So before you flip it so they don't get tangled, those really help. So sorry I don't have my project near me, or I'd show you what they are, but you'll see them on the videos that I have. I've linked them all in my playlist, so if you want to check that out, have at it. You'll love it. It's really fun. Anyway, I get bored really easily, so I have to do something that keeps me challenged. That's why I keep doing different things. Hopefully I won't get that bored with this, because there's all different kinds of pictures and colors you can do. It's kind of like coloring. It's really fun. Coloring with yarn. There you go. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing well, and I have another video I'm going to do to announce something else that I'm doing. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks again. Bye.